We are going to build a ladder rack for the side of my tool trailer. One of the challenges is hauling ladders around. So we're gonna build some racks that have locks and we'll be able to carry those ladders around more efficiently. So my trailer, something like this. We're gonna make 2 of these. So this is times 2 equals this. The primary supports for the back will be 1x2 square or rectangular steel. We're gonna use 1x1 tubing to come off of here and then come vertically. So it'll be 7 inches out and 4 inches up. There'll be a lock over the top. Looks really good. That looks like it's going to work out really well, and a lock will go through there to keep this closed. So that is what this thing is for. You can't really buy them with the locks on there, so mine are lockable. Keep the ladder stowed safe. I realize it's in front of this door, so ideally it would have been better on the other side. However, with how I have my trailer set up, all my weight is on the other side of the trailer, and I don't have access to the paneling on the inside of the wall. So in this instance, if I need to haul ladders, I'll have to take them off to use the door, but it's easier and better to haul them this way than the alternative, which is up over the top of a truck or something like that. They're lockable, which the ones you can buy online are not. So we custom fabricated this out of a bunch of steel. I'll have links in the description for where I got all those parts. And got it bolted up, got it put together. So they're gonna work out pretty well, I suspect. It was a fun, quick build. Practiced a lot of TIG welding on this one. It would be easy to MIG weld this whole project, but the TIG welding was more practice than anything else. Overall, pretty happy with it. I think it's gonna work really well for me. Hope you guys got something out of this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.